Okay, so today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes. It can be used in dumplings, noodles, ramen, chicken, pork, anything you name it. This is my take on hot oil. So here are the ingredients you need: some dried chili, and I've got some spices as well: bay leaf, I've got cinnamons, I've got black cardamom, and one of my favorite spices is Szechuan pepper. So I've got around 200 milliliters of vegetable oil. Now you can use any oil except sesame oil. And if you're using a container to store, use a glass or ceramic. Do not use plastic. I've got some vegetables like garlic and spring onion, and salt, of course. Now the first step would be making the chili flakes. If you don't have a food processor, you can also get ready-made chili flakes on your local store. If you're using a food processor, do not make the chili too powdery, make it a little bit chunky. So the next step would be extracting all the flavors, the spices, the vegetable into oil. Now when you're doing this, keep all your ingredients by your side. Heat the oil until medium high and drop in all the ingredients. And if you don't have any of this, that's fine as well. You can use any ingredients you like. The combination of only Szechuan and garlic can be good as well. Now while that is simmering, mince some garlic and also keep an eye on the oil as well. Now when you're done, it'll look something like this. The spring onion and the pepper will turn reddish brown. Now please be careful while you're straining out the spices, because the oil will be very hot. While the oil is cooling down, mix some salt and garlic to the chili flakes. And again, do not use plastic, because the oil will melt all the plastic and it will be a mess. So when your oil is cooled for about a minute or two, pour just a little bit and then just stir it immediately. You don't want the chilies to be burned, and do it until the oil is all used. So that is it. Now you can use this for dumplings, noodles, as I said before, anything you like, and this can be stored for days and even months, weeks. Now what I would do is add some sesame oil to this. Maybe around 50 ml of sesame oil would give an extra flavor. And do not forget to clean the environment, and also because the container is hot, do not touch it with your bare hands. I almost burned my hands. So stay safe while you're working, and happy cooking, everyone. So that is it for me today. Drop me a like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.